How to change your ringtone on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you want to switch up your iPhone's ringtone and make it more personal, in today's video I'll show you how to change your iPhone in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the settings app. Scroll down and tap on sound and haptics. Next, on the sound and vibration patterns, tap ringtone. Here you will see a list of available ringtones. Tap on any one to hear a preview. Once you find one you like, simply tap on it to set it as your new ringtone. Next, to use a custom ringtone, you will need to either buy one from the iTunes store or create one using GarageBand or third-party apps. After creating or downloading your custom ringtone, it will appear in the ringtone list and you can select it just like in default option. And that's it. Now you have got a fresh new ringtone on your iPhone. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.